Myanmar, Liberia, USA. Otherwise, there's no inches. No, 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 there's no inches. No inches, DIY. Here is the table tennis table in playing mode. It's all good, the wheels are off, it's down at the right height, it's got the net on. Here are the finished brackets. That's one bracket for the base of the sheets to sit on. Here's the other one. Come up here. This catch helps us to catch the two tabletops onto the wall. So you have it like that. When you've got the sheets on, you want to lock them in, you just drop that pin down. It's that simple. All right, I've got it rolled back over onto its back because when I was doing all the ping pong table and all that, it wasn't fully welded yet. Now one of these legs isn't entirely straight, so I'm going to hopefully weld that and pull it across. But I've decided that one central brace is not going to meet my needs. I was going to have a brace here and a brace there, but that's 3 braces. I'm running out of this steel. I'm going to put a big ply base in there, so I'll just have a piece of this on each edge. And when I was jacking it up, I reminded myself that I haven't got under here and cut all the sharp edges off yet. So I've got to do that. I've got to finish welding it. I've got to tune up all the sharp edges, and I've got to invent what's happening in here in terms of how the shelves are going to work. What I've done now, I've taken off all the sharp edges, I've cut the middle rail off, I've put them both to the side. I've got a big piece of ply that was with the house. It's going to form the base sheet of this. And then I'm probably going to have my sides with a little tab so they can lock up under there, and then they'll lock into here. Might just put a hole there where a pad bolt can go. And I think we might have a solution. After I tacked last time, I didn't even chip the slag off because I was so keen to use it. So this time I'm just going to take all the slag off my tacks, and then I'll be able to stitch weld them all. What I'm going to do now is just go and weld these, put a little bit more around the legs and see how we go. And then I'll have to drop in there and there some pieces of 25mm flat directly below this, and then I'll just about be done with the welding, I hope. Alright, I'm reasonably confident that I've got enough weld on that now. I've worked out how I'm going to operate my drawer fronts, and the rest of it will be built out of timber. I've got a lot of old packing crates that I'm going to recycle. I might put some new timber on the face sides, but I've just got to go through and tune this all up now. Alright, I learned a lesson today. That's what flap discs do to your hand. Didn't cut it, but it just feels like it's burnt. Alright, I'm gradually getting there. I was able to fit a sheet of ply in the base there. I've put one at the other end. This one I hope will fit. I've just had to notch it around the ribs that go underneath. Last one I had to actually, it was that tight I had to get inside here and click it in. Let's see how we go this time. While I'm in here, make these two dividers in the same way, just by, but the middle dividers aren't going to be quite as long, so I only have to notch for the middle. So I might just get on and do that. The box that's travelled with me for the last 4 years is getting pulled apart. What a metaphor for life, settling down. recycled the whole box that I was intending to use. I might just put a shelf through here and then we'll see how it looks after that.